cardiology team is doctors, physicians, and nurses who are dedicated to taking care of your heart. We think that's very important because a healthy heart is the most important thing, we think, to keep patients functional well into their elderly years. Also,
Holidays.
yes, it is. It was an interesting finding because we always noticed that over the holidays there was more admissions for what we thought were heart attacks and heart disease, and it turned out to be true. And they finally did a data analysis in the early 2000s. There's more heart disease in the winter months. Specifically, December 25th, Christmas Day, is the #1 day for death from heart disease. The second date is December 26th, and then January 1st. For a long time, they really didn't have any answers on why that happened. There's a lot of speculation. Some of it is because there is some stress over the holidays, and we know stress does increase the risk of having heart attacks and heart failure. I think also people are rushing around and oftentimes may lose some of the schedule that's keeping them healthy. They may not exercise as much and obviously may be eating a little bit more. A heart attack is when the blood flow to the muscle of the heart gets disrupted. There are little arteries that feed the heart, and when cholesterol plaques block that, that's called atherosclerosis. However, when that atherosclerosis gets disrupted a little bit, blood clots can form on the artery. That acutely makes the artery close down, and that becomes a heart attack. That part of the muscle begins to die, and if you don't initiate therapy within the first hour, the muscle will die and will not be able to be repaired. Medicare open enrollment is the time between October 15th and December 7th. That is when Medicare patients can possibly change their coverage to a more coordinated program, such as the one that ABQ Health Partners uses. The patient may find that they get a little more benefit from that and they can make more choices with their health care. So it's an important time because it's the only time of the year that seniors can make this change. The cardiology services at ABQ Health Partners are on the website. It's www.abqhp.com. You can learn more about our cardiology department, the other physicians that we have available at ABQ Health Partners, and the primary care doctors.